Hello everyone and happy 2025. It's a new year, all new stuff. No, not really. We are going to play with some Buttons Galore and More, the subscription box. We're going to use the sprinklets today, the unique crafting buttons, see if we can get some of those cakes and stuff on there, and the jewels. I did take some Confessions of a Paper Addict cut files. They were balloon animals, and I backed them in totally different patterns, scraps and stuff. This is a scrap room kit from earlier 2024. This is Bee's birthday, and we're going to create a layout. So this is, we got the one sheet, and then I did some, some things. So what we're going to do is I'm going to trim these down as much as I can. I'm going to end up matting them in the orange, I know, but they will stand out. Green's going to be our background, and we're going to cut one big strip of this. So let's go ahead and just get started. What are we waiting for? Still on my mission, as I was all through December of last year, to get items used up. My husband now calls it my new and improved craft room. We basically took everything out, and he built me some shelves and stuff, and I went through, and the stuff that I no longer use or haven't reached, it got sent away. So this is the Cartabella fruit stand collection. We're going to take, we're going to do 4.5. No real rhyme or reason on that. Okay. Oh, I almost glued the wrong one down. Alright. Get this stuck about 1.5 inches in. Yeah, let's go 1.5 inches in. I'm using my Glassboard Glass Mat Studio to measure that. So we have that. Now we're going to trim these down, and we're going to do 2x3s. No, 3x4s. So we're going to cut 4, 3, and 3. That's such a pretty piece of paper, but it's a scrap at this point. Alright, and so we have that. So you guys know this is going to be used up, so there'll be no saving that. Alright, so I'm going to finish trimming that down. I've got these items here. I might actually take the time to fussy cut out the ones that I can, because I have a whole sheet here that's not going to get used, so it'll go into a very cute little baggie, and it will be on my new tray waiting to be used. I do also have that. We'll see what we can do with that, so give me a minute and I'll be right back. Alright, so we have got some stuff done. I've got the strip on. I used everything. The only pattern paper piece that I have left is this strip right here. And I really, other than possibly tucking it right there, which I don't want to do, there's really no place for it. I was thinking about fussy cutting those guys out, but then I said no. Just being honest with you. We do have some tags and some of those, which is a no as well. let's go ahead and like break the green here. I'll go put my glasses on so I can see up close because I got my contacts in. They're my old contacts, so when I wear my old contacts I can't see up close. Alright. Trim those little pieces off. Let's go ahead and add this right there, and then this is B's 7th birthday. So we're going to do a little journaling. It's actually her gotcha day. And Rob baked a cake. And she got to wear the birthday hat. Okay, as you can see, it's right there hanging off of her. It's right there, but it falls. It falls off of them. And then there was Always Live Simply. That might actually work. I've got Hello There Sunshine already. Very best. Always. The Good Life. Blessed. I think we'll use those. If you can hear the shaking, that is B. She is shaking. I think she's getting an earache, so I just put ear stuff in her ears. Alright. Let's use some of these crazy fruits. Everything else I can pretty much always get used up, but it's the fruit, man. If we did like any kind of apple picking or anything like that, but we don't have the little kids anymore. We don't do that stuff. Also, just so you know, I'm like the biggest homebody ever. And I feel bad. It's 4 o'clock in the morning. He woke the whole house up. Dust is shaking. When she does that, so I gave her her meds. Anyway, so I'm just popping the fruit in. Layering it up a little bit on the picture like I did down here. Unintentional that I did it in the same spots. Okay. And there's nothing else I can do for her right now. I just have to let her wait until the medicine kicks in, which she didn't like, so I had to force her to take it, and now she's just mad. It's a thing. Maybe I should fussy cut all those things out. Alright. I am going to take some time and fussy cut everything but those two out because they're cut. Although they might actually still work, so like simple fussy cutting. See what I mean? She's just kind of running around shaking her head. She's already got medicine in it, so I can't give her any more. I just need her to calm down, but she won't calm down. So simple fussy cutting. Whoa. Start popping them around. So we'll do a little bit of that to get some of those in there. So give me a minute to get some of these fussy cut and stuck in, and I'll be right back. Alright, I added in some little pieces. I cut up the sticker sheet. You guys know what I do, and I put it all in a baggie. Use it for later. So from the unique buttons for crafting value pack, I pulled out some of the birthday stuff, or what I assume could be birthday. So we got the little cake. We're just gonna pop that over some of these little items. I have the cute little balloon. I've got the bow tie, and I'm just going to use them. So this is great because it adds, these items add depth and dimension. Let's go ahead and add this right here like it's the little collar for the doggy, right? And then I've got these 3 buttons. Alright, so I did cut that a little short, but everything can be fixed. We just pop it right in. Little glue. Because in fact they are buttons, you guys, right? And this last one, whoa, put it right there. And I just kind of make sure everything is sticking. This guy, we're going to go ahead and add a little extra glue right here where it's, where the tail of the balloon is kind of like flowing down. So we have that. I do want to take some of these little sprinkles and pop them around. So I'm going to treat them like sequins. I'm more so going for the little flower beds to add. I'm going to do the same thing with this guy right here. We're going to add a little extra glue. So I'm going to go ahead and take those, and I'm just going to use my little sequin picker. I dropped that somewhere. You see where that went? So I'm just going to do that. I'm going to filter those through. And then I'm going to do the same thing with these cool little jewels, and we're going to build this up. I'm actually going for the purple. So let me get that done, and we'll be right back with the finished layout. Alright, I have put the gems around and all of those little purple flowers from the sprinklets and those red jewels. Now the last thing we're going to do is add some green splatters in each of the corners. And you might ask why green? Because the background's green. And why not? And that is going to do it for today's layout. So don't forget to head over to Buttons Galore and More. Check out all of the cool things they have. And I mean the cool things that they have. You guys, all kinds of fun items. The subscription box, definitely something. If you like the little added embellishments and you want to be able to beef up your layouts, you just want to have those little extra bits and bobs like I do to just add a little extra something. This is definitely a subscription box that you need. It gives just every possible thing needed. Plus, I've had so much fun working with these, and I can't wait to see what the next subscription box is. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you later with another video. Bye.